Alright, let me get right back with you. Manaway, Lance Haynes, over. Haynes answer from Manaway, over. Sir, 29G, westbound, east by. It is NS 6925. That's right, 6925, over. If you give me 1 second, let me get up and clear, over. That's right, stand up.
All right, that was a, I don't know what that was. It was something like I call it a track cleaner. I don't know what it is. But it does something with the ballast, redistributes or whatever. But anyway, he didn't do it right in front of my house because of trestle crossing and the flange greasers. He started right after the flange greasers. But they're doing maintenance, as you can see, on main 2. And thanks for watching.
He's already Steven Manaway. Mr. Manaway, Haynes, over. Yes, sir. We are clear to foul, track 1. Located right near westbound, maximum authorized. And we're here about milepost 277.6, over. I understand in the clear to run the westbound, and you are about the 277.6, over. That is correct, over. Right, here we go. NS McManaway 29G, over. Alright, 29G, lead motor 6925 at 6925. Track is clear. 29G, you do have permission to pass the conditional stop sign located at milepost N 274.0. 274.0 in the west direction on main 1 track. And you have permission to come through here, track speed through our working limits, over. 29.
Okay, so the work consists is stopped and is going to allow the 29G to pass on main 1.
Sir, that is correct. The 5:05 in the PM, and the machine working is located around 277.6, over. What's the
Okay.
277.6, got a ballast cleaner working on the
ballast cleaner, thank you. That's what it is. And thanks for watching. We'll get the 29G in just a moment.